Hello, students. This is our class in which we are going to discuss why we should choose commerce. And this class is especially important for those students who have just passed their class 10th and have the confusion in their mind why they should choose commerce. I'm Shahabuddin and a qualified MCOM, B.Ed, UGC NET. Today I am going to tell you some few reasons why you people should prefer this stream, and let's have a look on them one by one. Yes, the richest persons of the world: Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, and here the richest persons of India: Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, HP Hinduja, Azim Premji, Alan Mittal, and Gautam Adani. I'm showing the image of these personalities because they have the common reason for the success, and that common reason for the success is their business skill, the commercial set, and the business idea is a common behind their success. ड्यूरिंग देयर करियर इन्होंने चाहे जो भी डिग्री एक्वायर की हो, साइंस की डिग्री, इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री, बट दे गॉट द सक्सेस आफ्टर getting the business skill, the commercial say, understanding of the business. The main common reason of the success is the business idea, the business understanding. So in the case of your stream, if you choose this stream commerce, you are going to impart this business set and the business understanding in a very tender stage, and this will very helpful for you people for a lifetime. Students, if you really want to become a big personality, then the first reason will very helpful for you. Now our second reason: everyone deserves a chance to clean up their mistakes. Yes, we always have the regret about the past कि यार अच्छा नहीं किया, टेंथ पास हो गया बट टेंथ में जो बहुत सारी कन्फ्यूज़न मिस्टेक्स हुई हैं और बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस नहीं रहा है, साइंस के फार्मूलाज नहीं याद होते हैं या फिज़िक्स नहीं समझ में आती है, कैलकुलेशंस में इश्यूज होते हैं, वीक हूँ मैं, कैसे अब कवर अप होगा? तो दिस इज़ अ चांस, चेंज योर स्ट्रीम, understand yourself, introspect yourself. This is a time. In class 11th, when you change the stream, you learn the ABCD of commerce, and this will going to be a very helpful for preparing a concrete base. This will give you a concrete base and make you a good learner here. So, if you really want to make a new base, if you want to regenerate, you want to re energize yourself, then change your stream first. Let's have another reason. This is the third reason of choosing this stream commerce. In this stream, you have a wide range of and the open career path. You have the lot of options after completion of your intermediate examinations. You can do a CA foundation, BCom, BBA, CA, CS foundations, BCA, DLED, call center, and after completion of these graduation level courses and the CA foundation and all, yeah, you can do a BCom. If you do BCom, the whole line get open for you. You can do after BCom, you can do MBA, you can do MBA after, even after doing the BBA, and you have the option of doing the bank PO preparations, the LLB. After LLB, you can do LLM, you can practice as a lawyer, you can do a CA, which is found to be a very prestigious job in our society. बहुत ही सम्मानीय जॉब मानी जाती है और इसमें काम सिर्फ एक सिग्नेचर का होता है, बट यू हैव द जॉब ऑफ डूइंग द सिग्नेचर. You can go in the line of academics. You can do B.Ed and M.Ed and become a lecturer and educationist, and after you can also do MCom after BCom and qualify the GRF and NET, and you can pursue PhD and become a professor in a good renowned university, and you can do a library bachelor in the library science. You can do a diploma and the courses in the export and import, You can do the courses in the international business or in the international relation after commerce. You can do the courses, master courses in tourism. You can do the master courses in finance. There are a lot of courses in finance itself is a wide branch. After the commerce, the finance itself, you can go various preparation, competitive preparation like the Indian Military Academy and the other competitive examination, the UPSC and all. While doing your graduation, BCom or BBA, you can pursue the CA or CS or ICWA, which are very prestigious courses and are not regular course. You can do along with doing your graduation courses like a BCom and BBA, and this is going to be very helpful for you people. I think it's a good reason for choosing the commerce because it fetch you the big options, large number of the option for or your career. Let's have a look on another reason for choosing this commerce stream. So what is the reason behind that? The reason is you learn the communication skill, the effective communication. In commerce, the students are shared or imparted with the vocabularies of the real world, vocabularies of the real world. Because we in the science and other stream we learn the very technical jargon words, and those are not very useful in the day-to-day life. We cannot use the words of the science and biology and the physics and chemistry, maths everywhere, but the word which are the words, the vocabularies which are taught in the in your stream are very much exposed to the real life world, and is going to be very helpful for becoming a very good communicator. And a communicator always leads the life and become the leader. The good communicator always a leader of their stream and their line. So if you want to become a good communicator and you want to become on the top of the line, on the top where you do the job and work and where you live and where you live in the society, you want to be on the top, then you should be a good communicator. And if you want to be a good communicator, then you should choose this stream. Let's have a look on the another reason. Our next reason is, yes, connect with the real life world. The commerce stream actually deals with the real life world. The exchange, sale, purchase, discount, the customer, consumer, production, vehicle, logistics, and all these are the very common words and are very interesting. When we learn, our interest arouses, and that's why I emphasize we should choose the commerce because it's a very interesting stream. It's a very interesting stream. And now the reason is it generate the large employability. Yes, this this is also a reason. A commerce student is not going to be unemployed. There are a lot of option for him. He can do a job in a corporate, he can do a job in a call center, he can have the lot of options with him, because his employability enhanced with imparting with the managerial skill and imparting with the knowledge of the business set commercial language. This will enhance the employability. And if you enhance your employability, you are not going to be unemployed. And this is the big reason for choosing this stream, I think. Yes, this is the last reason for choosing the commerce, because this brings more rationality. Yes, it is true, because we understand the language of day to day, and whenever we take the decision, it brings more rationality to us, and that's why we should choose commerce. I think you people, and I hope you people understood well why we should choose commerce. Thank you, students,